How to use branding to amplify your marketing. The more distinct your brand, the more effective your marketing. Branding optimizes your communication and marketing. The stronger your communication, the higher your marketing conversions will be. Take Mosey Wash, for example. They sell premium laundry detergent, targets a young audience, made their brand story around making laundry day an enjoyable experience, and embody the creator archetype. With having distinct branding and embodying that branding with unique product design, it made marketing the brand so much easier. When they took the brand to social media, they instantly gained millions of views, lots of attraction, sales, and are projected to do $1.5 million this year alone. If we look at this law firm we rebranded, marketing them on social media will now be much easier and more effective. Why? Because they look, act, and communicate in a way that's completely different from every other law firm in the industry. How does this work? It's simple. Strong branding creates a clear, memorable image that stands out. A distinct brand is easily recognized and remembered, which cuts through the noise and grabs attention. It's not about the product you sell, but about the story you tell. Want to also build a memorable brand? Book in a call using the link in bio. Follow for more value.